It's time to open my favorite set, One Piece The Best Volume 1. The art of this set is what got me interested into One Piece trading cards, and it started this entire collection I'm building. And it's home to my favorite card, the manga Nami that I pulled from this very set not too long ago. But the big chase is the God Pack that is filled with tons of manga rares, including that manga Shanks, manga Ace, manga Zaro, and of course any of those gold Dons go for a lot right now. Can't wait to see what we get. And we have the Dawn card, Charlotte Brûlée, Izzo, Dracul Mihawk, Rhizome, Helmeppo, Helmeppo again, but this Pirate Foil, Ryuma, Volti, great looking card showing a lot of leg, love it. And Judgment of Hell, Pirate Foil.